Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. I'm also fine today. So guys, what are you doing now at this time? This is the very at noon time right now, and I think you are doing something well right now, and I'm making a video right now at Muktagasa. Do you know where is Muktagasa? I think you don't know where is Muktagasa, but it's located beside the Mymensingh area at Muktagasa. Right now I came at Muktagasa for shopping, and I thought I can make a video from here. That's why right now I'm making a video. So in this video I will share with you my inspiration, how to I learned English in my beginner's life, and when I started to learn English, what I did. When I started to learn English, I lost motivation all the time, and sometimes I had motivation. You can say at night I had a lots of motivation. I had a motivation, and I thought I will be able to speak English fluently. But in the morning when I get up from the bed, that time my motivation is lost. That time my motivation is fallen down. I thought I can't speak English fluently. I can't say speak. I can't say English. So it's not possible for me. I thought that. Sometimes I thought that. But doing that, sometimes I thought that, and sometimes I didn't think that. And doing that, now I'm learning English yet. You can say I'm learning English yet. And oh, who is he? He is front of the camera. Oh, who is he? Oh, my dear brother, what's your name?
My name is Arif.
Your name is Arif?
Yes.
What are you doing here?
I'm sitting.
You are sitting?
Yes.
So why are you sitting right now? এখানে বসে আছো কেন?
For a while.
Oh, you are sitting well for because it's a very hot day, right?
Yeah, definitely. It's
Very hot day. What is this in your body?
This is my bag.
This is your bag?
Yes.
Oh, I think it's a shopping bag.
Yeah, definitely. It's shopping bag.
Shopping bag. So did you buy something? কোনো কিছু
Yes.
কিনেছো এখানে?
Yes, I bought exercise boot.
Exercise book.
Exercise
Silet.
boot. Yes, exercise boot.
Silet.
Silet.
And what is this? Socks?
Yeah, pair of shorts.
Pair of socks.
Yes.
মানে এক জোড়া মোজা?
Extra moja.
Oh, right. And how much is this? এই মোজার দাম কত ছিল?
It is 100 taka.
100 টাকা.
Yes.
It's so expensive socks, right?
Yes,
And after buying this kind of things, you are resting for a while.
Yeah, I'm resting for a while because it's a very hot day. That's why I'm resting for a while.
Oh, right. So do you know this area? এই area সম্পর্কে জানো?
Yeah, definitely. This is my area.
Oh, do you know the King Palace of Muktagasa?
Yeah. Located 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers.
Yes.
From here, King Palace is 2 kilometers.
Yes, 2 kilometers.
Oh, I have to go King Palace because I wanna see that. আমি এটা দেখতে চাই.
Yeah, definitely.
And
Why not?
Will you take me there? আমার কি তুমি সেখানে নিয়ে যাবা?
No, brother. I don't have time.
You don't have time?
Yes.
So where will you go? তুমি এখন কোথায় যাবা?
I will go my house.
You will go to your house?
Yes.
So where is your house? তোমার house কোথায়?
My house beside this area.
Beside this area?
Yes.
That means beside the Muktagasa your house.
Yeah.
What is the name of your area?
My area's name is Montola.
Montola?
Yes.
Your village name is Montola, right?
Yeah, my place name is
Montola. What do you do? তুমি কি করো?
I'm a student.
You are student?
Yes.
What class are you studying?
I'm studying graduation, second year.
You are doing graduation?
Yes.
Right now?
Yes.
Oh, you
Bachelor
are.
of Social Science.
Oh, you are a good student, I think so.
No, I'm just I'm studying.
Oh, that's good. Do you learn English?
Yeah, definitely. I'm learning English.
So every day, do you learn English?
No, brother. I don't have enough time. I'm doing business in my father's shop, and sometimes I'm studying in academic study. Sometimes I'm studying. I'm learning.
Yeah.
English.
So, do you wanna learn English?
Yes, I'm learning English.
Oh, মানে তুমি ইংরেজি শিখতে চাও?
Yeah, definitely. I'm learning. Yes, I want to learn English.
Yeah. ইংরেজি শেখার আসলে অনেক একটা মজা আছে।
Definitely.
অনেক মজা আছে, right?
Definitely, yes.
And when you will say something in English, and you will enjoy a lot.
Yeah,
তুমি
definitely.
অনেক enjoy করবা।
I enjoy a lot.
Right.
Some people are watching me.
And some people will watch you when you say in English. যখন তুমি ইংরেজি বলবা তখন তোমাকে সবাই কি দিবে, সাহস দিবে,
সাহস দিবে,
সাহস দিবে,
সবাই আমাকে আমার দিকে তাকিয়ে
থাকবে। That's good.
সেটাই।
So nice to meet you. তোমার সাথে সাক্ষাৎ হয়ে আমার ভালো লাগলো।
Nice to meet you too.
And your name was Arif, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, that's good.
What's your name, brother?
My name is Arif too.
Too.
Arif too.
That's good.
And in the morning I thought I will go to Muktagasa. Understand?
Yeah.
That time when I came at Muktagasa, I thought I can make a video. And sometimes I make this kind of video, and I upload Facebook on YouTube.
It's okay. It doesn't matter.
Okay, bro. Pray for me.
You can upload. It doesn't matter.
Okay, pray for me so that I can success my dream.
Definitely.
Okay.
I pray for you.
Yeah, definitely.
And I support
You have to pray
I
me.
support you.
Yeah,
And
right now. The weather is so bad today.
Okay.
The weather is so bad today because
This weather is very sunny and very hot today.
hot. It's
Yes.
very hot, and
That's why
I have to drink water, bro.
Yeah, you have to drink water.
Drink water.
Okay.
Is there any shop in this area?
Yes, is there any shop? One shop.
There is a shop
Yeah,
in this area.
There is a shop in this area. I think one shop. This
Yeah,
area. You can go.
Oh, okay. After making this video, I have to go for drinking water because I'm so thirsty right now. And
you're so much thirsty.
definitely I have to go.
It's okay.
I have to go for drinking water. Will you drink water with me?
It's okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, and for staying with me. And together we will go for drinking water.
Okay.
And if I come again at Muktagasa, definitely. Do you have phone number?
Yeah, definitely. I have phone number.
So give me your phone number.
Okay. 01909
01909
1989092.
Oh, that's good. Okay, I will listen from this video.
Okay, it's okay.
Thank you so much for giving your number. When I will come at Muktagasa, that time I will call you.
Okay,
And
call
you
me.
will show me the King Palace of Muktagasa, right?
Definitely, I will show you when I get free time. Then you will call me.
Okay, thank you so much for staying with me a long time. Staying with me long time, and for giving your free time. Okay, I will see you with a new video with a new topic. Guys, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and to share with your friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.